Are you ready to turn 2025 into your most profitable year yet? Today, we are diving into 3 powerhouse tools that can make you tons of money online, which is ChatGPT, CapCut, and Canva. Whether you're a complete beginner or a seasoned pro, I'll show you how to leverage these tools to create multiple income streams from your phone or even your laptop. Okay, so if this interests you, stick to this video and let's go straight into the video. Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing my face for the very first time, this is the Creative Susan, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I so much appreciate you. Alright, without wasting much of your time, let's dive straight into the video. So first up, we are going to talk about ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI tool, and this AI tool has transformed content creation. Honestly, you can use it to write blog posts, draft social media captions, create YouTube scripts. Okay, just like this video, I used ChatGPT to create the scripts. Okay, so you can use it to generate product descriptions. Okay, but that's not all you can use ChatGPT for. It has so many benefits, okay, of using ChatGPT. You can also use it to offer freelance writing services on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, which can earn you anywhere from around $20 to $100 per gig. And if you want to scale up, think about creating and selling ebooks or online courses with ChatGPT as your assistant. It will really go a long way in helping you. Okay, ChatGPT is your sure to go spot. So next up, we are going to talk about CapCut. This CapCut, we're using it for free. It's user-friendly video editing app. Okay, if you're into video content, CapCut is your best friend. Okay, you can use it to create short form videos for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or even Instagram Reels. Okay, you can also even offer editing services for other creators and business owners who doesn't have time to edit their videos. CapCut has a template and effect that makes it super easy to create professional looking videos that grab attention and can go viral easily. So you have to use these tools the right way to make extra income for yourself. Now let's talk about the third one, which is Canva, your design superpower. Honestly, with Canva you can design social media graphics, YouTube thumbnails, logos, presentations, and more. Okay, sell these designs on platforms like Etsy, Creative Markets, or even start your own design business. Okay, Canva is also great for creating print-on-demand products like t-shirts, mugs, and even phone cases. Okay, so if you need more information on this, just comment below and I will help you through. Let's move over to how you can combine these three tools we just talked about in this video, how you can convert ChatGPT, CapCut, and Canva for maximum income and profitability. Okay, so number one, you can write scripts with ChatGPT. Then you edit these stunning videos, like you can edit stunning videos with CapCut and create it. Use Canva to create eye-catching thumbnails and designs, and this can help you to monetize those ideas through YouTube, social media, other social media handles, freelancing platform, or even create your own website, and you'll have what to post on it daily. 2025 is your year to make money with ChatGPT, CapCut, and Canva. These tools are here, and the opportunities they offer are endless. Are you ready to take action? Hit the like button if you're inspired. Subscribe for more money making tips, and comment below telling me which tool you're going to start with. Okay, so please stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.